Hi everyone, I'm Shubham and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my version of homestyle chicken gravy and Solkadhi. It's masaledar and it's jam-packed with burst of flavors and aromas. Both recipes are downright finger-licking good and have a lip-smacking taste. Hence, without any further ado, let's begin with the recipe. Ingredients will require are half kg of chicken, half cup of mint coriander chutney, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of lime juice, half cup of milk, 200 grams of curd, 2 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoon of ghee mixed together, 1 cup of 2 medium sized onions finely chopped, half cup of tomato puree. Further, we'll require 2 teaspoon of dried fenugreek or methi, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dried coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 7 to 9 pods of cloves, 2 teaspoon of kitchen king masala, 2 tablespoon of Kolhapuri kara masala, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, 2 green chillies, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. For the Solkadhi, we'll require 100 grams of shredded coconut, 100 ml of kokum sharbat, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 or 2 green chilies, handful of coriander, half cup of coconut milk, and last but not the least, 1 mug of cold water. So to begin with, first we'll marinate our chicken, and for that add in the mint coriander chutney, and then later on add in the milk, the ghee, and consequently add in the red chili powder, the turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of lime juice to this chicken, and mix everything thoroughly until it's all well combined and the chicken is well coated with this mixture. To prepare our gravy, I added in the ghee and the oil in a pressure cooker. Later on, I added the onions to this, saute them, and you can also add a pinch of sugar just so that they become golden brown. Later on, I added in cumin seeds, green chilies, cloves, and a cinnamon stick. I mixed it all thoroughly. Keep on stirring the onions and other ingredients, and to speed up the caramelization process, you can also add in 1 teaspoon of sugar to this mixture. Now the onions have become golden brown in color. Over here you'll see that the onions have reached the desired consistency and the color. Hence I added in the all masalas, and now I have transferred in the tomato puree. Stir it all really well and let the masala cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. Over here you will see that it has started thickening up and it has started oozing out its oil. Hence I have transferred the chicken, and in the meanwhile I kept the chicken in the freezer for some time. And now over here you have to keep on stirring the mixture of this chicken so that it gets well combined with the masalas and other ingredients. Don't put on the lid as of now, just let the chicken cook for around 10-15 minutes. I have added salt as per my taste and what I preferred. You don't need to add too much salt because the masalas and other things, they contain salt. And last but not the least, I've added in hot water and I have cut off few coriander leaves. If you notice, I am not using the coriander leaves for garnishing, but instead I want to incorporate them in the curry itself. Hence I have just chopped off them in the curry and I have incorporated them. They'll impart a much needed depth in terms of flavor and in terms of color to this rich gravy, and let them cook. Let the chicken cook for around 15 minutes unless and until you don't hear the first whistle, and just cover it up with the lid. To prepare a quick, easy, no-brainer Solkadhi, add in shredded coconut to a mixer, add in the green chili, the coriander leaves, 6 to 7 pods of garlic, half cup of coconut milk, and later on just mix it all really well and churn it. You'll notice that you'll get this sort of consistency as seen in the clip. Hence add in the kokum sharbat and 1 mug of cold water. Again you have to mix it all well. Again you'll notice that you'll get this sort of consistency. So transfer this thick mixture of coconut and other ingredients which we have just churned in a mixer on a clean cloth. Now what you have to do is you have to make a potli out of it, if you know what that means in Hindi, and just you have to squeeze the hell out of this coconut mixture. And yeah, like you'll notice that it will ooze out a lot of water and other flavorful stuff. So now that we have the Solkadhi mixture, the base of the Solkadhi mixture, add in 1 cup of water, half cup of coconut milk and kokum sharbat. And I have added a bit more kokum sharbat because I like my Solkadhi to be a bit tangy. Mix everything very thoroughly, and last but not the least, garnish our Solkadhi with lots and lots of coriander leaves because they add a much needed freshness and a depth to the Solkadhi. And here it is, my version of homestyle chicken curry with Solkadhi is ready to be relished. I truly hope that you try this recipe at your home. And if you do like this one, then follow the drill. That is, like this video, share it with your family and friends, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, bye, take care, be safe, much love.